Let it clean. You've heard that before, right? Sometimes it means something good, but sometimes you're not cleaning enough where it matters the most. And today, we're going to talk about the most important cleaning job in your entire body. One that most people don't even know it exists. You know, your body actually gets dirty from the inside out, believe it or not. That's right. Just like a kitchen that gets greasy over time, your insides are collecting toxic buildup every single day. Think about it. You're breathing in pollution, eating processed foods, dealing with stress, not getting enough sleep. It's like running a restaurant kitchen during peak hour, 24/7 with no breaks. The grease keeps building up, the dishes keep piling, and your cleaning crew is getting overwhelmed. That's exactly what's happening inside your body right now. And here's where it gets interesting. Your body has its own cleaning crew, a powerful compound called NAC or N-Acetyl Cysteine. Think of it as your body's premium cleaning service. But in today's world, this cleaning crew is facing an impossible task. Why? Because modern life is throwing more at your body than ever before. It's like trying to clean a professional kitchen with a single sponge. It's just not going to cut it. Your body needs reinforcements. Now, here's where the magic happens. When you take NAC, it transforms into something called glutathione, your body's master cleaner. This isn't just any cleaner we're talking about. Glutathione is like having a professional cleaning crew with industrial grade equipment. It goes everywhere in your body, scrubbing your arteries clean, detoxifying your liver, protecting your brain cells, supporting your immune system, even helping your lungs stay clear. And this cleaning system isn't just about feeling good, it's about preventing the serious stuff. When your internal cleaning crew can't keep up, things start breaking down. Your arteries get stiff and clogged. Your liver gets overwhelmed. Your brain gets foggy. Your immune system gets weak. Your energy levels drop. It's like you're trying to run a restaurant with a dirty kitchen. Eventually, everything starts to fall apart. So, what's the solution? Simple. Give your body's cleaning crew the backup it needs. Start with 1200 milligrams of NAC in the morning. Take another 1200 milligrams before bed. Stay consistent with your timing. Keep hydrated at least 1 to 2 liters daily with minerals. Cycle every 8 weeks with a 2-week break. Ideal to have 4 to 6 hours between dose and do not exceed 1200 milligrams per dose on an empty stomach. Thinks that's too complicated? It's actually simpler than your morning coffee routine. People who start supporting their body's cleaning crew with NAC often notice better mental clarity, more stable energy, improved breathing, better recovery after exercise, stronger immune system, reduction in the mucus viscosity. It's like finally having a professional cleaning service for your body instead of trying to do everything with a worn-out sponge. Because here's the truth, your body is either getting cleaner or dirtier. There's no in between. And with NAC, you're finally giving your internal cleaning crew the tools they need to get the job done right. So don't let your body's cleaning system run on empty. Your health is worth more than that. By the way, based on clinical research and the European Journal of Preventive Medicine study, within 60 days, based on visible ultrasound, reduction range between 5 to 27%. In some patients shows no initial response. Now at 90 days, reduction ranged from 23 to 36%, and the non-initial responders showed 10 to 17% improvement. So consistency is key.